Test your HVAC smarts. Drop your score in the comments. Question 1. What does HVAC stand for? A. Heat, ventilation, and cooling. B. High velocity air control. C. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. D. Home ventilation and AC. Answer C. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Question 2. How often should you change your air filter? A. Every 12 months. B. Every 6 months. C. Every 3 to 6 months. Correct. Answer C. Every 3 to 6 months for optimal airflow and efficiency. Question 3. What's the ideal thermostat placement? A. Near a window. B. In direct sunlight. C. Close to heat-producing appliances. D. On a central interior wall. Correct answer. D. A central interior wall gives the most accurate reading. Question 4. What's a sign your AC might be low on refrigerant? A. Loud banging noise. B. Warm air blowing from vents. C. Thermostat turning off. D. Fast cooling. Correct answer B. Warm air from vents can mean low refrigerant levels. Question 5. Which of these helps reduce energy costs? A. Leaving the system on all day. B. Skipping annual maintenance. C. Sealing ducts properly. D. Ignoring dirty filter. Correct. Answer C. Sealing ducts improves efficiency and saves money. How'd you do? 0 to 2, time to call Jemmys HVAC. 3 to 4, you're on the right track. 515, HVAC Pro status.